We're going to quickly show you a brief overview of Bank of Internet's bank accounts. Now, Bank of Internet has been around over 12 years, which isn't a long life for a bank. However, they've done surprisingly well. They were actually nominated one of the top 50 companies for minorities. So, as you can see, they are targeting diversified markets and succeeding. Now, they're a smart company, and you'll see that when you come to their homepage. They automatically target you with a checking account that pays 0.7%. And when you can compare their rate with some of the other well-known banks in the nation. So, this is very convenient how they have it set up. When you come to the Bank of America, Bank of Internet, you can see that they have 4 basic sections, and the 3 that we're going to focus on is checking, savings, and CDs. Now, one thing to note is even though Bank of Internet has good rates, they're not the nation's best. If you want those, you can check out banktruth.org, and we'll tell you some of the better banks that if you're looking for that good rate. Now, let's go ahead and look at what they offer. You can see that they have an easy navigation on their website. We can go to checking, and from there we can either go account comparison, rates, overdraft. Let's just go to the main page. So here we are again. They compare with some of the big chiefs in banking. Only thing is they're not the best rates, but it does make them look good. And if you don't know your banking, you might be tricked into thinking you're getting a pretty good deal. So, here's one thing that's interesting is we recently reviewed Chase. Chase offers 15,000 ATMs in nationwide. However, if you do use other ATMs, you do not get a refund. Bank of Internet does give you that. So there are some benefits to their checking account. Let's go ahead and learn more. They have a calculator here that lets you figure out how long you're going to have your money in for and the amount of interest you earn. Now, this is very easy and very straightforward. I've seen other banks like Discover Bank who require you to deposit a certain amount in their calculator, so it makes you makes you think you're getting a great rate. So now we move on to savings, and this is not the best rate. The best rate right now is 1.3%, excuse me. And the benefit here is you can get a pretty good rate, and not only that, you get a lot of benefits, as you can see from the chart. And the only check writing privilege is the money market savings. Now, most people call it a money market account. They call it a money market savings because it has that higher rate, whereas Chase has a pathetic 0.01%. Now, moving on to their CDs, how do those compare? Well, right now, if you move up the term, and we want to look at the 5-year, 2.7%. That's not bad. And then if you increase your amount, you can see that, look at all that money you could make. Invest 100 grand and you'll make 14,000 in 5 years. Only problem is this isn't the best rate. Ally Bank offers a great rate, and they also let you know that there's only 2 months of interest that are pegged. Whereas if you want to see how much you'll get pegged by Bank of Internet, better check out our bank review, and it'll tell you all about that. We'll also be coming out with a complete post and review for that account, so stay tuned for sure. Overall, Bank of Internet has a lot of clout. It has very good customer service, it's FDIC insured, and you can go and look at some reasons why you want to switch to them. Thank you for tuning in with banktruth.org, and we'll talk to you later.